Hello and good morning. It's about 9:40. Ray and I actually just took a nap. I'm not used to getting up early. I need the naps. So yeah, we just took a nap after taking Durs to school. I'm eating a peach, which is really good. If you buy the fruit off base, it tends to last a lot longer than when you buy it on base. So this is from Voscow. Oh, you having an apple?
Yeah, that sounds good.
I'm having a peach.
People want to know what your favorite colors are.
Oh, yeah, we just got up. I'm gonna eat this peach. I'm probably gonna take a shower. And I don't know what to do. I want to make that bread for Benji, so maybe I'll do that too while I'm upstairs. And maybe I'll make cookies too. So, I'm in my kitchen making cookies, and my bread is rising, but it's a nice day, so I've got the door open, but because the door's open, there are 3 bees in my kitchen. Oh yeah, there's one that's been on the window.
One is flying.
Whoa, right there, Mr. B, living on my window. Focus.
And one is flying. And I don't like it.
And then the other one is like flying around. Get out of my house!
Can I drink that drink?
No, that's my drink. So now I need to stop what I'm doing and try and shoo these stupid bees out. Cookies are baked. My face looks so gross right now. Look at all those cookies. The bread is in the oven. That should be done here soon, and then I need to take a shower because I haven't done that yet. And shower, get ready, probably put on some makeup so that later we can walk down into the village and see what this festival's all about. It's time to pick up Durs. I feel like we've done so much already today, but also like we really didn't do very much. I mean, I baked, I started laundry, switched laundry, made the bed, took a nap, showered. Yeah, it's like that weird mix of like, I feel like I did a lot today, but I probably didn't do a lot today. But yeah, we are going to pick up my little Pookiekins, and hopefully, I don't know why I called him Pookiekins. I've never called him that. They're gonna have to share. That's all the milk we have. You have to share. This is all the milk we have left.
Oh, okay.
Like a kid in a candy store.
I don't know how to do that. Yeah, yeah. Saturday. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
I want to make it so fast. I just want to dance. 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 I just want to dance like this. Woo! Killed it, JoJo. So it's a little after 5:30. The kids are hungry, so I'm getting ready to put some pizza rolls in the oven. I'm also making a pizza for myself. I bought this when Mom was here, and we never ate it. And these are like these off-brand pizza rolls. They are not very good. So I'm making dinner. We were gonna walk down to the festival, but my stomach's been a little iffy all day. I don't know if it's from the leftover chili I ate. Mandy thinks it might be from the peach I ate, but I don't really know. But my stomach's kind of like so. And yeah, I don't know what's happening the rest of the night. It's actually the first night that Benji's had to work since my mom left on Wednesday, because he had Wednesday, Thursday off. So it's really weird being in the house without my mom. And it's actually like, I haven't been like too, I mean, I'm sad she's gone, but because I had Benji home, it hasn't really hit me. But now we're home alone. Like, no mom, no husband, just me and the kids. And it's really hitting me. And I'm feeling really emotional, like I could totally cry right now, which sucks. I hate feeling like that. But I'm like super sad that she's gone and I'm so alone. And I know it's bad to be dependent on people. I love to be around people. So I'm just kind of sad and lonely now that she's gone. And it super sucks. I don't want to be sad and lonely. Maybe I'm overly tired, or maybe I'm getting sick. I don't know. I always try to find reasons why I'm being emotional. But I know it's not my period because I just had that a couple weeks ago. So yeah, I'm gonna go put this pizza in the oven, sit with the kids on the couch for a while. Probably they're watching Family Fun Pack on YouTube. So yeah, lonely Brittany. Fun Brittany. The kids are yelling at each other. That's always a good time. So the jalapeno pepperoni pizza I bought came with 1, 2, 3, 4, like 5. I don't think that counts as a jalapeno pizza, but I might just be crazy. That double chin now. I need to vlog from up here so that I don't have a double chin. That, and I need to work out again. Monday. I'll start a new routine Monday. We'll start working out in the mornings now that my mom's gone. Also, am I the only one who likes to eat pizza with dressing? Sometimes I use ranch. Today I'm using Italian, but I literally just love to put my pizza in dressing. Comment down below if that's something you do. If you do, what do you dip it in? If I had blue cheese, I'd probably put it in blue cheese too, because I love blue cheese dressing. But I'm the only one who likes it, so I never buy it. Why don't I buy it? I need to buy blue cheese dressing. So I'm sure you guys can tell we hang out with the Winklers a lot. But I'm so thankful for Mandy. She has become such an awesome friend for me. It's already like, I can't get my watch, 8:37, and we are getting ready to go to their house because I text her, I said, can we come over? I'm lonely and I miss my mom. And she said, sure. So we are getting ready to head over to Mandy's and probably, ooh, I'm gonna go get Settlers of Catan. Yeah.
I'm gonna say hello.
Hold on, Mommy's just gonna go get a board game. I'm gonna get Settlers of Catan to bring to her house because she likes that game and she'll play with me. Bringing a new expansion pack that I bought. So comment down below, do you guys like Catan? I feel like you should try it. My bestest friend, Tiffany, introduced me to Catan and I'm addicted.
Good morning.
It's not morning, it's night.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna bring Catan over for us to play. And maybe we'll play, sorry, I've turned most of the lights off so we can leave. Maybe we'll play some card games or something, I don't know. Just hang out, I just need somebody because I'm really lonely and I miss my mom a lot. It's weird when you've had someone in your house for like a month and then like they're gone. And since my husband's at work, I'm like extra lonely because, oh gosh, I've been hanging out with him the last couple days.
Can I show them my small shirt? My door shirt is probably too big. I'm gonna show you tiny. So my armpit, this armpit, really hurts. I want to show you my outfit.
They can see.
Mine?
I had the kids put on pajamas because since it is already 8:30,
We
we're not gonna be home till like super late.
Can we have shoes?
Yeah, put some shoes on.
I'm putting.
So I just want them to be like in their pajamas and ready to go to bed when we get home. So it's almost midnight. We just got home from Mandy's. She'd offered to let us spend the night, but the kids didn't want to. So I drove home. I'm exhausted, but I forgot I didn't clean the kitchen before I left. I already put the pizza away just now. And I got the kids tucked into bed. But I need to load the last of these dishes into the dishwasher. So I don't have to do it tomorrow. But I'm just so tired, I want to go to bed. I hate waking up to a dirty kitchen. Alright, kitchen is clean. I am going to bed. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure, see, I'm tired. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. And if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe. We try to put out new videos every day. We appreciate you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching. I'm gonna tuck the little man in. I'll say thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe to every video.
Thanks guys, and as always, we love you. Bye.